What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin Cash. Wanted to do a little video on this. It's been very bullish. It's maybe one of the most bullish cryptos in the last 24 hours, to be honest. So just wanted to give you my thoughts. Right now we're at an absolutely crucial level, which makes both going long and shorting quite interesting. But no, I wanted to check out if it's really it's in the top 4. BSV is also rallying, and we do know, like, if you look at the past, like these coins, Bitcoin Cash and BSV, in the past they have been manipulated to a ridiculous extent, all right, and therefore I would always say be careful with shorting, because if this is the moment that we'll see some sort of a rally like this again, like if you're going to short, then you will get stopped out. So I'm slightly favoring longs here, especially also with the market circumstances. I mean, the market circumstances, even though it's a bit shady on the Monday morning with low volume, the market circumstances are great. But like I said, and that's also what you can see right here, we are at the 382 fib of this entire move down. The 382 fib is always the strongest Fibonacci level out there. And then apart from that, it's also just a normal key level. So that's why I'm telling you we're at a crucial level. And what's going to happen next very much depends on how we react to this level. But that's also due to this being such a strong resistance level. That also makes this the ideal level to potentially short from. So that's what I wanted to talk about. I mean, in general, the main thing I think you need to know is that if we are able to break above like 450 is the main resistance level here, I think. If we're able to break above that level, I am going to assume we're going to rally up higher. All right. Now, I do have to say, like, so far, we've basically rallied 29% without really finding resistance. We got some top signals at 430. We're getting some top signals here at 450 again. I think it's slightly more likely that we will see some resistance here. And that's also based on the fact that I think this move that we got overnight with Bitcoin is not to be trusted completely. It's a move with a relatively low amount of volume. It's a move in the Asian session, which I do trust a little bit less as well. So therefore, I'm probably not going to short this unless Bitcoin really starts falling, unless Bitcoin gets a bearish breakout. But I do think it's most likely for Bitcoin Cash to drop down here. But like I said, for the reasons I've given you, I'm not going to short it. And it's also, I mean, if you think about the risk rewards, like, I think Bitcoin Cash right here is bullish, and I don't think it's going to turn bearish soon. I think it's most likely will drop down, but then somewhere, like, there's so much support basically between 405 and 425 that yes, I think it's most likely will drop down a bit here, but I think we'll find support here, and I think it's a matter of time, at least assuming that the markets will stay bullish. I think it's a matter of time before we do break above 450 and rally up to 500. Right, so something like this, I would say, when you talk about the technicals and the fundamentals, I would say something like this is more likely. The fundamentals that we have right now is also some sort of a Mt. Gox related thing. Because obviously Mt. Gox also distributes Bitcoin Cash, and it seems like it's not doing too much to the price. Who knows? Maybe people still have to sell. But if you look at the volume and you see so much coming from Bika and Bit and Upbit, I think this is mostly manipulation and not euphoria. But even though it's manipulation, technicals still do work to a certain extent, and that's why, because we are at such a strong resistance level, and because of what I expect from Bitcoin, I'd say this is most likely, but I do think we will stay bullish. And those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.